What a fantastic day! I did so many things today. How is it going, friends? Yes, I walked my dog Nelly and we were just about to get in the house. Oh, is this my journal? What is it doing here? I guess it's time to play again. Yay! And look, my friends are just there. Hello, Marta. And hello, Lucas and Samantha. Yes, my schoolmates. But wait, my journal, yeah, it's revealing words. How does she go to school? I guess you're talking about Marta because she's a girl and she is alone. And look, we've got three options. She goes by bike, we go by feet, or they go by subway. Let's look at the question. In the question, we have the personal pronoun she, right? So can you guess? Right? If in the question we have that pronoun, in the answer we must find the same pronoun. So the right answer is she goes by bike. Great! Hey! Wow! And look! We got stickers for my journal! Thank you! I love them! Okay, we've got more words here. At what time do we wake up in the morning? Oh, at what time do we wake up in the morning? Three options. They wake up at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. She wakes up at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. And we wake up at 10 past 8 a.m. in the morning. Great! So, how can we guess what is the right answer? Let's match the answers to their owners, like this. If we wanted to ask her, the question would be, at what time does she wake up? And both the question and the answer have the same pronoun. If we ask about them, it's the same. At what time do they wake up? In the morning, they wake up at 8:30 in the morning. So we find the same pronoun they. And finally, if. It's about us, Nelly and I. In both the question and the answer, we have the personal pronoun we. So the answer is we wake up at 10 past 8 a.m. in the morning. Yes! More stickers and lights this time. They're unicorns. I love unicorns, really. Thank you. Come on, let's play once more. Here we have more words. How do they go to school? And now we've just got two options. They go by subway or we go by feet. Come on, can you guess? Pay attention to the question. How do they go to school? So the answer is yes, they go by subway. Am I right? Hooray! And more stickers! I love them! These are very, very cool! Thanks for all the stickers! Goodbye!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello children, let's keep learning about basic questions. Remember, where does he live? He lives in Boston. So if we want to connect answers with questions, we need to see what is the personal pronoun. Here we have he and he. So let's go for it. Let me just take the purple marker this time and trace over with me. At what time do you wake up in At what time do you wake up in the morning? She goes to school by bike. Because I have you, so I need to get I. She wakes, no. I wake up, yes, at what time? What time? Let me just, at what time? I wake up. I wake up at 8:30 in the morning. So this goes with this one, okay? Now let's go for the number 2. And this time I'll do it with brain. How do you go to school? How do they, not you, how do they go to school? How do they go to school? And here we have they. How do they? They, we have it here. They go to school by feet. So this goes with this one. Great. Now let's do with maybe the blue one, the next one. How does she, the girl, go? How does she go to school? How does she go to school? She go. How does she go? She goes here. She goes to school by bike, okay? So let's go and put it like that. And finally, this one. At what time? At what time? Vale, ahora me voy. Sí, un segundo y me voy. Vale. At what time she wakes up in the morning? At what time she wakes up in the morning? And this is she wakes up. So this is finally the last one. Okay, well done guys. Goodbye.